What's happening, guys? I'm the stock guru, the coolest stock trader on YouTube, and today I'm going to be recapping the trades that I took today and how I was able to make 25% day trading stock options. Okay, so let's get right into it. The first trade that I took today was on the S&P. So as you can see, we had a nice spike up overnight, and then we kind of had a downtrend all pre-market. So if I zoom in a bit here, I'm going to go over this first trade with you guys and exactly what I was thinking, why I got into it, and what my thought process was for this trade. So, right as the market opened, we spiked up and we broke above this level right here, and I think we were trying to break the pre-market high here. And as you can see, we failed that. So I got in short right when we started failing this because we got rejected by these highs. So I figured we're going to go ahead and continue lower since it's kind of been a downtrend all morning. Now I'll show you guys where I got in. I got in right below, right where these wicks of this candlestick are. It's kind of a decent level I saw. If I zoom out a little bit, I think you can kind of see the level of why I got in there. Or you know what? Showing you guys on the future might be a little bit better. Where is it here? So here's that same spot right where the market opened and we started spiking up here and then we started coming down. So I got short right below this 2790 level. Right below this right here is when I actually got short. So it's kind of hard to find that exact spot on the SPY because I was watching the futures when I traded this because the SPY basically just trades exactly the same as the futures. There's just a little bit more information on the futures because they trade overnight as well. But basically, I got in as it broke down right on this candlestick here. So I'll show you my entry. This is the 934. If you look at the bottom and see the time there. Now, if I go over to my trades, you can see I got in at 934 with some puts, and I got in at $1.21 per contract. So if I go back to the chart here, I'll show you guys. I rode this thing down and I ended up making 20%. How long did that? I think I got out pretty quick. Yeah, I got out the next minute. So 9:34 I got in, got out at 9:35, and I got out at $1.41. So basically about 20% profit on this trade, and it only took me 1 minute. Very quick trade here, very easy. A very good breakdown. It failed to retest the highs, and we just started coming down. So I got in right when we started breaking these levels here and rode it down all the way to here and took my 20% profit. Now the next trade is going to be on Apple that I took, and I believe it's going to be right about when we broke below this low on SPY. Apple was also breaking below its low of day. So let's switch over to Apple here, and I'll show you guys. We can take a look. Okay, here we go. So we have this low set right here, and it also retests it right here. So I'm going to draw a line for us here. All right, so that's the level I was looking for it to break. Now, as this broke down here, SPY was also breaking its low day. So I had the momentum of the market with me, and it led into a great trade on Apple. Well, actually, could have been better, but I'll show you guys what it is. So I got in right here at 948, right on this candlestick, as we broke below this low of day. And I held on here, and then we had this massive push down. And I think I got out just a minute or two below here. So let's go back to look at the trades. So I got in at 948 with a few contracts, and I got out at 952. So 948 to 952. So, yep, I got in right here at 948, and then I got out right on this candlestick here. Now, on this particular trade, when we had this massive spike down, I don't know if the delta was very low or the theta was too high on the Apple contract that I was in, but I didn't really get the percentage gain I was looking for on this trade. So as you can see here, I only when it made this big move down, I was expecting to be up at least 10%, and I wasn't. So once it started bouncing up here, you can see this wick goes a little bit higher. I just cut the trade there, and if you go back here, you can see I only made 5% on this. So got in at 86 cents per contract on the put and out at 91 cents. So only 5% there, which isn't very good. I always aim to make like 20%, but I just didn't get the type of move I was expecting from such a large drop here. Now, with hindsight, I can see that I should have just held on and it would have given me 20% and a lot more. But, I wasn't really looking for this long play. I was looking for a nice spike down, which is what I got. And I just really didn't get the type of percentage gain that I would have liked to get. Now, I probably should have just traded the SPY or something because I've noticed sometimes when I trade Apple, I don't get the percentage moves that I like with their options. But either way, it was still a very good trade. breaking below that low of day. A nice move down, very strong right here. Just didn't give me the type of leverage that I was looking for. But guys, if you like this video, go ahead and click on the channel below. I've got a lot more videos like this, and if you're interested in joining a group chat full of stock traders, I have one, so you can just go ahead and add my Discord name right here and shoot me a direct message, and I'll send you an invite to my trading group chat. I've got over 200 stock traders in there now, and we all share our ideas. We have some new guys. We also have a lot of experienced traders, so there's a lot of knowledge getting passed around in there. So it can definitely be helpful. So go ahead and add me and shoot me a direct message. And also, please drop this video a like. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because I'm sure you guys are going to like the new, if you like this video, you're going to like the videos that I have to come, because every video that I post, I'm sure there's something that you guys will be able to learn from. So I'll see you guys in the next video.